And the sign said, long-haired freaky people need not apply. So I tucked my hair up under my hat and I went in to ask him why. He said, you look like a fine, upstanding young man. I think you do. So I took off my hat. I said, imagine that. Me working for you. Whoa, sign, sign, everywhere a sign, blocking out the scenery, breaking my mind. Do this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign said anybody caught trespassing would be shot on sight. So I jumped on the fence and I yelled at the house, hey, what gives you the right to put up a fence to keep me out or to keep Mother Nature in? If God was here, he'd tell you to your face, man, you're some kind of sinner. Sign, sign, everywhere a sign, blocking out the scenery, breaking my mind. Do this, don't do that, can't you read the sign?
Now hey you, mister, can't you read? You got to have a shirt and tie to get a seat.
You can't even watch, no, you can't eat.
You ain't supposed to be here.
Sign said you got to have a membership card to get inside. And the sign said, everybody welcome, come in, kneel down and pray. But when they passed around the plate at the end of it all, I didn't have a penny to pay. So I got me a pen and a paper, and I made up my own little sign. I said, thank you, Lord, for thinking about me. I'm alive and doing fine. Woo! Sign, sign, everywhere a sign, blocking out the scenery, breaking my mind. Do this, don't do that, can't you read the sign? Sign, sign, everywhere a sign.
Don't you understand what I'm trying to say? Can't you feel the fears I'm feeling today? If the button is pushed, there's no running away. There'll be no one to save with the world in a grave. Take a look around you, boy. It's bound to scare you, boy. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Yeah, my blood's so mad, feels like coagulating. I'm sitting here just contemplating. I can't twist the truth, it knows no regulation. Handful of senators don't pass legislation, and marches alone can't bring integration. When human respect is disintegrating, this whole crazy world is just too frustrating. And you tell me over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. Think of all the hate there is in Red China, then take a look around to Selma, Alabama. You may leave here for 4 days in space, but when you return, it's the same old place. The pounding of the drums, the pride and disgrace. You can bury your dead, but don't leave a trace. Hate your next door neighbor, but don't forget to say grace. And tell me over and over and over and over again, my friend, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction. No, you don't believe we're on the eve of destruction.
You cry like an asshole! Hey! Get out of the bike lane, asshole! Hey, come through! Lost all my speed, thanks, pal.
Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play a role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, bust the ceiling,
hey!
Someone's fucking jump, yeah, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the punks up, feeling.
Move over, asshole! Nice driving. You're not supposed to use the bike lane, you're supposed to stop at the stop line.
I'm in a turning lane.
No, you're not, you're in the bike lane.
Yeah, because that's because you're in the turning lane.
I'm allowed to be here. You're not allowed to be in the bike lane, stupid. No, it doesn't matter. You can't be in the bike lane. The bike lane isn't a turning lane, you moron. You're on camera. You can just... Slow down on the gun, you make the rest of us look bad.
Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, twist the ceiling, monsters of fun plus. Someone's fucking jump, yeah, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the pumps out, feeling funkin'. Amps in the trunk, and I got more bombs. And there's cops that are junkie. Donut shop, show enough, I got punch.
Asshole.